for your next travels, if you're going to travel with your toothbrush, unfortunately, you can't travel with toothpaste on airplanes now these days. You have to be about almost a couple ounces in order to travel. Look at your specs around your area. Now, this is one great thing that they come with, all right? Now, this is going to be housing my actual toothbrush, all right? When I'm traveling, it has a housing and casing for the charging station. You could have another additional area where you could actually strap another different attachment for it. And then, of course, your toothbrush in here. So if you guys can see, zipper keeps everything from moving around the area, but a clear mesh too, all right? So you can see through. Now, I like this because it's not going to rattle in there. You shake it, no rattling at all. It stays fixed in one area. I know exactly what I'm going to put back in there, and I'm going to put in place. Now, this part is separate from here because moisture, of course, after you clean it up and you dry it up, you air dry it, and then you can put it back in here. But like I said, they have an attachment for a secondary, which is these two straps are a little bungee. You know, you could actually set up any size, and this is a thick one that I have. I actually have a thinner one, but I put the thickest one that I have right now so you guys can see it. That it's very flexible, and I like that. Everything's hard, so when you put in your luggage, it won't get damaged. It won't move around. Even if it's traveling through airplane or bus, it's not going to go anywhere. It has this great zipper, a handle, so you could handle it to it, or if you want, you could attach it to a backpack or something, vice versa, either way. So I like this handle that you can put between your hand and walk with it. The case opens up simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.